I came to Oregon State because it's one of the best engineering schools in Oregon. It has a lot of fun programs, tons of clubs, very generous with the scholarships.
I took a tour of campus and I really found engineering as a home. We talked a lot about all of the different cultural centers on campus, as well as all of the different diversity clubs that were available for students. And I thought that that was a really big factor in me choosing to be here.
This space is the Center for Diversity and Inclusion within the College of Engineering. I feel really safe and comfortable in this space, if I'm being fully honest.
I do think it's necessary for students to have a space where they can just be. That is maybe the first step in helping them see themselves here, part of our community.
Definitely the CDI is, I think, one of the most welcoming places on campus, just because it is a hub for diversity clubs that are available at Oregon State through the College of Engineering.
So one of the things that the center does is provide support to our engineering affinity organizations, which these affinity organizations are basically our identity-based student organizations. Certainly anyone is welcome to these organizations, but again, their focus is to highlight and celebrate these identities.
I am a first-generation student, and so my family didn't know much about the college life. One of the first things that I knew I wanted to join as I came into Oregon State was the Society of Hispanic Professional Engineers. It was my first point of contact at Oregon State, and it just made me feel really welcome because I was surrounded by individuals who the majority had a very similar background as me.
Being a woman in engineering is, there are struggles, but there's also a lot of community that you can find, and that community has been really helpful for me.
The Center for Diversity and Inclusion has been important to me during my time here, just because it's a space to just go and do work and then meet other people from different organizations housed within the CDI. And it's also they have a lot of events throughout the term that we can go to and just meet with other industry partners who focus on diversity and inclusion.
We collaborate with a lot of our industry partners. When they come, they talk about diversity, equity, and inclusion. They don't just talk about what their company is and what they do, so that our students can find that out and use that when they're making decisions about where they want to go after Oregon State.
I feel like I have been able to thrive here, and I will say the main contributors are mentors and advisors I've had throughout my time here.
The engineering community is very, very close. There's a lot of difficult classes you'll take, and by going through those classes with other people who are also doing the same thing, you will connect with them a lot more closer than you'd expect and a lot more fast than you expect.